Oh my God. What happened here? What happened to my beautiful home?
Hello, honey. How are you? I am so sorry, but it looks like we were robbed.
How am I? I am so upset right now. How will we fix this? How did this happen?
Sweetie, try to relax. It will be okay. It is only a small setback. Let me take you outside for a coffee to help you feel better.
I don't think coffee will fix this, but you are right. I think I need a moment to relax. Let's go.
Mom and Mehmet left and the boys met in the living room. Mom looked very sad, right? Yes. I heard her crying. What can we do? The place is completely destroyed. Come on, Zach. You know what we have to do. We should clean this place up while Mother is gone. She will feel so much better if we can try to make it look good. I really don't feel like cleaning. However, you are right. I will grab a broom and you grab a garbage bag. Let's get to work.
Are you feeling better? You did not say a word yet. I am getting worried.
There are no words. I am very upset. I will get over it. At the end of the day, the most important things are family and friends. The other things do not matter. Thank you for the coffee. I think I feel more calm. Let's go home. We should start cleaning.
I just want you to be happy. I hate to see you sad. I am happy you enjoy the coffee. Okay, we can start to go. Mom arrives home and she is shocked.
Guys. Who is home? Guys.
Hey, Mother. Surprise!
You guys did this? You boys are the best sons I could ever ask for.
Mom, do not cry, please. We love you so much. We just want you to be happy.
I am so happy, my darling. Thank you so much for being my son.
Did she see it yet? Yep, she sure did.
I sure did. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys so much. You boys are more important than any home.
I had ordered pizza, because we all had a long day.
Yay, pizza. What a fantastic idea.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe for more.